Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, it's Sue from 1A Auto, and today on our 07 Mazda 3 with a 2.0 liter, we're going to be checking the brake fluid, how to fill it, and what fluid to put into it. If you need any parts for your car, check out 1aauto.com. Hood release is located right here. Safety latch is right above the Mazda symbol, right in the center. You just turn it over to the right. And then you have the hood prop rod, and you put it in where the arrow goes and says rod, right in there, and lock it in. So our brake fluid is located here, right in front of the driver's seat. It's above the automatic training fluid dipstick. So this has a twist off cap, threads on. And if you need to put fluid into it, there's actual a line here and a line there. This is minimal, it's really low, and this is full. And by the looks of it, sometimes you can shake it and you see the shadow. It's right there where it should be. And to find out what kind of fluid you need, the cap will always be marked. This one says .3 fluid. So that's the type of fluid you would top that off with if you needed to add any.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.